Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix microphone not working in your Windows easily. Okay, let's start. First things first is you need to go to settings. Just simply search settings here and then click on open. And once you open your settings, just go to privacy. Here at the left side, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Here you need to scroll down and look for microphone. Just click that and you need to make sure that you enable all of this. I mean, this sound recorder is on, Feedback Hub is on, Microsoft Teams is on, and might as well this sound recorder. Okay? So let's say if you are using a Zoom, a Google Meet, then make sure that this is on because if it is off, then it will not work. Okay? So after that, if your microphone is still not working, then let's proceed to the second step, which is to look for sound settings. So just simply click here and then go to this audio settings and then do a right click and then go to settings. So once you're here at the sound settings, just make sure that the chosen device is current microphone that you're using and might as well hear at the speakers. Okay? And then scroll down and go to more sound settings. Click the arrow icon here and it will open a new window, and here you need to make sure that the default device is your speaker, and then might as well here in the recording the microphone is the default device, and you need to make sure that the here in the properties the microphone is in the change icon, and here in the levels it is in maximum 100. Okay, so let's see if it's still not working. Then let's go to the volume mixer. Just click that. And then here you need to make sure that all of this are in 100%. Okay. So after that step, let's say that it doesn't fix your problem. Then let's go to device manager. Just simply click here, do a right click and go to device manager. And the moment you open your device manager, just maximize it and search for sound, video, and game controllers. And then click the arrow icon here and then select the device that you are using and then do a right click and go to disable device and then enable it again. But let's say if it's still not working, then do a right click again, then go to update driver and search automatically for drivers. Okay? So if your computer says that the best drivers for your device is already installed, then go to search for updated drivers. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to update depending on your machine. Okay? So those are the three important steps that you need to follow to fix your microphone. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and might as well hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.